Railway construction is accelerating worldwide. From safety and security to customer satisfaction, new solutions are constantly required. Rail operators used to rely on existing domestic suppliers. Now, they are scouting globally for innovative solutions far beyond their comfort zones. But many of them don't have the right contacts to get started. Technical experts are also on the lookout for global clients, but they don't always have the right access to customers. This is where the International Railway Summit comes in. This unique event acts as a bridge between buyers and experts, matching buyer requirements with expert solutions. So, how does it work? It's quite simple. Meet Lisa, Technical Director at Express Railways. Lisa wants to improve passenger experience. Meet James, Sales Director at widen, specialists in onboard Wi-Fi. James is looking for customers. Lisa submits her project requirements and James enters his solutions on our online matchmaking app, the Waiting Lounge. Lisa and James access a list of the most relevant potential meeting partners. A few weeks before the summit, Lisa selects the expert companies she would like to meet, and James selects buyer companies. Lisa and James receive their one-to-one meeting schedules. Lisa and James meet each other and many other matched partners at the International Railway Summit. So, how can you benefit? Meet decision makers directly. Meetings you request are guaranteed. Reduce travel cost up to 15 meetings over 2 days. Grow your personal network during site visits, lunches and dinners. Are you searching for that perfect business partner who will help your company flourish? Then look no further and request more information today.